Finally, we get to the area of workplace design. In workplace design, we're really looking at, some people refer to spaghetti diagrams or 5S analyses, where we're looking at how do we improve the layout or work content of this workstation. Now remember, in this lean process engineering system, we have an operation with a set of activities that very clearly defines the work being performed, where the work is performed in the station, and how long the work takes. Of course, we should have a CAD layout, typically AutoCAD, of the workplace. We're able to automatically diagram these workflows and have the software compute travel distances and travel times. This allows us to, once again, in advance of that workstation existing, make critical improvements to the performance of that operator, especially if there's a lot of walking involved, and reduce that cycle time as much as possible to, in particular, walk-oriented tasks, which are inherently non-value oriented. I will say that one of the challenges of an operator walk analysis is that walk time in some workplaces, especially for large products, can be a significant part of the cycle time. Yet when we assign the work to the station, we don't know what that walk time is going to be, because we obviously don't know the layout of the station, because we haven't finished assigning all the work to that station. So it's a bit of a chicken and an egg problem. And so what we typically do is we start off by assigning work to stations where that work content just includes the value-added work, that is the assembly work. Then we'll go back and we will leave a little buffer in there for walk time. We'll go back and do a walk path analysis, typically in a computer system, of how much additional time do we need to add to the cycle time of that productive work to account for the non-productive or non-value-added walking. We can then add that as an additional item to the cycle time of that station, make sure we're within takt time and move on. If we're not, we're obviously going to have to go back to the line balancing exercise a little bit and make some adjustments by moving tasks around, or we're going to have to find ways to better engineer that process or that workstation so that we can meet the takt time requirements.